So I want to say a few words about Dr. Rajeshri. Dr. Rajeshri Krishnaswamy was a scientist who turned to be an entrepreneur by passion. She holds a PhD in biotechnology and MS in biochemistry from Michigan State University, US. She is the founder and CEO of Catalyze Center for Learning. Her entrepreneurial venture in 2008 with the objective of providing bespoke online live interactive classes to students. Under her leadership, the company has grown across the globe in various countries. The company offers personalized live interactive programs in country specific school curriculum, competitive exams, test preparations, IT languages, Vedic Max, and Abacus. She is also the chairperson of India for online learning at All Ladies League and Women Economic Forum. She has been awarded as the Rising Digital Star by StetPeople.tv, League of Iconic Entrepreneur Award by Women Economic Forum, Women Super Achiever Award by the World Women Leadership Congress. She was recently awarded as the Leader of the Decade by Women Economic Forum. Her passion for entrepreneurship urged her to take a role as the president of Tamil Nadu Entrepreneurship Council to encourage every women entrepreneur to create business, to contribute to self, family, and the economy. And this is Adia Rajashri.
I'm going to move on a bit to my presentation because many people were asking, what is Wiki about? What are you planning to do with Entrepreneurship Council? What are the initiatives that you're planning to take? So then I thought it's a good idea for me to just put in a few slides so that everybody is aware of the larger goals that we are planning under Wiki. I think I will just share my screen. Is everybody able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as we all know, WICI is the short form of Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And we have here, it is India's first independent chamber of commerce for women. It was created under the support of All Ladies League and Women Economic Forum. We, of course, are part of the Tamil Nadu Entrepreneurship Council, and I'm the president, and Abhirami Vivek is the vice president. As of now, we have about 10 council members, and we can go up to 20. We are in the process of inducting more council members. So a brief presentation on what Wiki is about, what are the Wiki councils, and what are the reasons for low entrepreneurship rates in women. As Harbeen said, this is the right time to encourage women entrepreneurship because there is a global socio-economic challenge that is going on. What is the model that we are proposing and who are our team members? So about Wiki, when Harbeen launched Wiki, I think it was a few months ago, I think Harbeen has a way of working where she mulls over something for some time and then suddenly, it all takes shape and energy. And one day I received this mail from her saying that I would like you to take up this position as president of Wiki Entrepreneurship, TN Entrepreneurship Council. To be honest, entrepreneurship is very close to my heart. It is something that, I have been very passionate about as well. And when this mail came from Harbeen, I was like, sure, I will take it up. So she had given a large, outline of what she has envisaged Wiki to be about. And I've just pulled out a few points from there, a few relevant, points for us to have an idea in this presentation. So about Wiki, we encourage, support, and nurture. entrepreneurship, business, industry, and commerce across all sectors and fields. Now that is very unique because we have several verticals under Wiki. In fact, a couple of days back, we had a launch for cinema. We had a launch for handlooms. So the variety of sectors that we have starts from entrepreneurship to art to handlooms. We want to energize, empower, and contribute to every sector. We want to bring fundamental changes to government policies and incentives to robustly encourage, support, and empower women. We also want to provide access to support functions to get better facilitation, incentives, access to finance, and other measures that empower the competitiveness of business women, entrepreneurs, and professional women. So, coming to the Wiki Councils are created under each vertical. So, Wiki envisages a network of 7,000 office bearers across India and abroad, holding positions in voluntary capacities as presidents, vice presidents, and council members in the following councils: bilateral business councils in different countries, national councils in diverse sectors, regional coordinating councils, state union territory councils in diverse sectors, state union territory coordinating councils, city councils for grassroots endeavors, and an all-inclusive national council with representation from all other councils. So with this number, each honorary office bearer will roughly be representative of 100,000 women, which is a great responsibility and a rare opportunity to make a difference for lasting impact. This slide talks about the cause of low female entrepreneurship rates. As women, we know that we are the binding in society. On a daily basis, we have to play multiple roles, wear multiple hats, and we are so strongly rooted in the society and the family. So all of this plays a very, very important role in not only, it plays a very important role in our decision making, in the way we look at things, in the way we encourage ourselves. So if you really look at the cause of low female entrepreneurship rates, you can say that relationships are number one. Family support, childcare, women as primary caregivers, traditions and boundaries, and lack of motivation. I think in our council, we have a very, well-established, amazing achievers. And each one of them will say that they could not have reached where they are without the backing of their family. That goes for me too. Unconscious gender bias. Of course, we know very well about that, right? So socioeconomic situations, subconscious cultural beliefs and assumptions. Questions more promotion-oriented or prevention-oriented. I was reading a very interesting article. See, this is all very unconscious and very subconscious. And it's very important to bring in gender sensitivity. I was reading a very interesting article about women entrepreneurs who pitch for funding, right? And about how they get asked more prevention-oriented questions rather than promotion-oriented questions. Well, it was a very interesting article, so I thought I'd put this point down. Overcoming bias with well-thought-out plans and performance. Finance, of course, this is a very, very big area. We have a finance expert on our panel today, Sangeeta Sumesh. And women are very, very good at managing finance for the most part. But I think our risk-taking or the appetite for risk is not as it is for men. That is a very big difference. Lack of knowledge about financing. Lack of resources to guide women with financing. And investors less likely to invest in women entrepreneurship or in women-led businesses. Confidence in business skills. Now, this is again a very big area. And as part of Wiki Entrepreneurship Council, we do plan on working on mentoring, inducing confidence in women to present themselves better, work on ideation to business plan creation, so all of this. Lack of mentoring, lack of literacy skills, lack of accessible coaching, low risk bearing capacity, as I said, or it could be a lack of knowledge in business as well. So these, I feel, are the major deterrents. So as part of Wiki Tea and Entrepreneurship Council, the primary role and responsibility of a president is to build, along with the vice president and 20 council members, a robust team in different areas of focus. Each of our council members today are thorough professionals who have various areas of expertise. As the president, I have put together this team, and there is room for 10 more council members, as I said. Organize delegation visits to various public platforms, industry forums, and other chambers to promote trade, commerce, and investment for women entrepreneurs and businesswomen, and those in services and trade. Seek corporate government funding for requisite studies and projects, especially for mentorship and skill development. To work with respective government bodies, institutions, and media for advocacy and representation toward enabling policy changes, incentives, and other structural changes as representations and recommendations. To create a robust ecosystem for women-led businesses, starting from ideation to acceleration. So this is our proposed model. We want to increase economic opportunities. We want to increase knowledge. We want to build on gender-sensitive policies, and we want to create a supportive environment or a milieu to encourage women entrepreneurship. This is what we envisage as the functionalities of Wiki. I know this is a tall order today because we have just about started, putting together things, but it's a small step ahead towards these goals. Ideation to business plan, mentoring, startup support, micro, small, and medium enterprises, an incubator for women entrepreneurs. Now, this has been a long-term, idea of mine, accelerator for women entrepreneurs, and of course, finance. So this is our team. I'm Dr. Rajshri, President. Abhirami Vivek is the Vice President. Dr. R.J. Kalpana, Sabita Nataraj, Dr. Rajani Sriraman, Meghalai Sendil Kumar, Dr. Deepa Sendil, Dr. Srimati Kesan, and Nalini Srinivas. These are the council members. Thank you. I come to the end of my presentation.